Is this the cleanest shop in America? I guess we gotta show off how clean it is now. Go around in a circle.
Just you.
Yeah, just me. The title of my next video is gonna be called, "Is this the cleanest shop in America?"
Hey, I spot mopped the floors in here this morning.
Just look at this waiting room. It's fabulous.
Yeah, spot mopped the floors in here. Makes a difference.
Yeah, it makes a difference. It looked a lot cleaner back there too.
Oh, it's 100% improvement.
After that, clean off the alignment rack and dust off the everything back there.
You know, when a customer comes in and looks through those windows, and I've heard them comment many times of how clean, it just shows how professional everybody is here.
Mm-hmm.
So it means a lot. It means an awful lot.
First thing I see when I walk in the shop, what's that? The new Hunter alignment rack. I like this rack better than any other rack I ever used. My box right there. Gotta finish up this AC F350. In our racks, in our tire machine. And that's Sterling right there. Say hi.
Hey, good morning.
Refrigerator. Oil filters. Air filters. Tires. Ladder to get up to the tires. The other AC machine for the new. Transmission jack, cherry picker, batteries, workbench, bench grinder, brake lathe, all the flush machines, the wallet flushing machines, on-car brake lathe, waste oil, new oil, air compressor, and the cage for the big tires, so you won't get killed.